Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best kayak that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Intex Explorer K2 Kayak, 2-person inflatable kayak set. Last but the best, this product deserves the incomparable due to its remarkable abilities. Exceptional comfort and durability, this inflatable kayak is ready to face the challenge of lakes and mild rivers. Experience one of the most enjoyable trips with this kayak. To make you experience ultimate comfort, this kayak comes with adjustable inflatable seats with the backrest as a unique feature. Furthermore, it has the capacity of 2 people, so you can share your experience of thrill-filled adventure with your friend. Its bright yellow color makes the kayak visible even in less visibility environment. Moreover, its removable skeg makes it easy for you to put the kayak on the right path. On the other hand, it comes with aluminum oars which do not succumb to rust easily. On the other hand, its I-beam floor makes the ride comfortable. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Advanced Elements AdvancedFrame Kayak. This kayak comes with features which will add an extra thrill to your ride. Due to its extraordinary durability, you can enjoy the trip without getting it damaged. A reliable ride, this kayak will introduce you to exemplary stability. To make the kayak sturdier, it has been constructed with multiple layers. Its multi-layer construction makes it ready to face harsh conditions. With a dimension of 20 by 15 by 15 inches, this kayak comes with multiple air chambers. This feature does not let kayak sink if one of the chambers get punctured. Furthermore, its hull is constructed with PVC tarpaulin hull material. This material comprises of polyester fabric placed between vinyl layers. In other words, ultimate durability is part of this kayak. The stern plays the role of skeg, making it easy for you to control the movement of the kayak. At number 3, we have the Advanced Elements FireFly Inflatable Kayak. Ideal for the family recreational trip, this kayak is easy to control through any type of water surface. Moreover, with its exceptional features, this kayak will introduce you to hassle-free experience. Moreover, its maneuvering ability makes it easy for you to control the kayak. This kayak's bow and stern comes with rigid forms that assist in creating the path through waves. To increase its durability, a unique outer cover is made part of its construction. Making it easy for you to assemble it, the twist lock valves and a high-flow spring valve has been made its partner. To provide exceptional storage capacity, it comes with a mesh accessory pocket. Moreover, its tracking skeg increases its maneuvering ability. At number 2, we have the Airhead AHTK-1 Montana Performance 1-Person Kayak. With trendy color, this inflatable kayak takes responsibility to let you enjoy every moment you spend on it. Whether you use it for a fishing trip or thrill-filled adventure, this kayak will never disappoint you with its performance. To increase the durability of 3 chambers, 840 denier nylon is used to protect them from getting punctured. Moreover, its lightweight quality makes it easy for you to carry it around. Furthermore, you don't have to buy expensive car roof racks to store it, as it can easily fit car trunks. Furthermore, it comes with UV and water-resisting coating which protects it from any hazardous elements. On the other hand, its great tracking ability comes from 4 bottom fins. And finally, at number 1, we have the Advanced Elements AE1007R Advanced Frame Convertible Inflatable Kayak. This inflatable kayak is known for its incredible tracking ability and its eagerness to face any challenge. Use it on any water surface, and this inflatable kayak will never cause any problem. Whether it is a smooth surface of a mild lake or an aggressive river, this kayak will never fall victim to any damage. To increase the tracking ability of kayak, built-in aluminum ribs has been introduced in this product. Moreover, its 3 layers of material protect the kayak from becoming the permanent member of the trash can. Furthermore, the process of inflation and deflation is easier as compared to the other kayaks. Its open deck design makes it easy for you to enter and exit the kayak. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.